Oh guys, so first things first, I am going to be showing you how I make my shake. So basically this is a shake from Juice Plus. This is the vanilla you know, type. I like vanilla. Then we have chocolate as well, so I'm not gonna go into that, but let me go ahead and show you how I make my shake that helps me stay healthy and maintain this gorgeous body. So firstly, I have my milk in there, then I have my blueberries right there, then obviously I have my shake right there, and then I have bananas and I have avocado. So I am gonna go ahead and put everything inside the milk. So my hands are washed, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. So instead of using ice, I decided to use the frozen blueberries so I don't have to look for ice. Then I'm gonna add my avocado, like so, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my banana like so, and that should be enough. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my shake. Mind you, this shake is good. It's really amazing. It's gonna help you lose that unwanted fat. It is high on protein, high on fiber, and it has 1 gram of fat. So honey, if you're fixing to lose weight, that is something that you should try. And if you're fixing to order yourself a shake, honey, I'm gonna put my website below so that you can have a look. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this and mix it. As you can see, I have closed my blender cup, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend. So basically guys, that's the complete version. I was not going to show you guys how I poured it in the cup and stuff like that. So I basically blended it, and that is the deliciousness that you see right there. Don't it just make you feel like you want to go to the Bahamas? Come on honey, you need to get yourself a shake from me so you can enjoy this delightful, tasteful shake. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you. Bye bye.